Hello friends, I am Dr. Rohit Kumar Agrawal, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. Our topic is nuclear physics, in which we discuss about beta decay. Beta decay. Beta decay is the nuclear process in which the spontaneous emission of charged particle from radioactive elements such that its mass number A remains same but its atomic number changes by 1 is called as beta decay. In this, one nucleus is converted into other nucleus with the emission of electron and neutrino. That is, Zxa give rise to Z plus 1 Ya plus electron plus nu. For example, when thorium decays or goes into the beta emission, at that time it get converted into protactinium by the equation, that is thorium 90 Th233 get converted into Z plus 1 Ya means protactinium plus electron. There are three types of beta decay. Generally, electron emission, positron emission, electron capture. Number one, electron emission. In this, electron is spontaneously emitted from the parent nucleus and give rise to the daughter nucleus. That is, Zxa get converted into Z plus 1 Ya plus electron. Positron emission. In this, positively charged particle, that is positron, is emitted from the parent nucleus and gives rise to the daughter nucleus, that is Zxa get converted into Z minus 1 Ya plus electron E plus. Electron capture. It is occur when negatively charged particles like electron is captured by the parent nucleus and gives the daughter nucleus. That is Zxa plus electron e raised to power minus get converted into Z minus 1 Ya. In this process, the proton capture the electron and get converted into neutron according to that equation, that is 1p1 plus minus 1 E0 get converted into 0n1 plus h nu. Properties of beta particles. The beta particles is deflected by the electric and magnetic field. Beta particle affects the photographic plates. Beta particle ionize the gas through which they pass, but the ionizing power is only 1 by 100th of the alpha particles. The penetration power of beta is more than the alpha particles. Beta particle passes through the matter. Characteristics of beta spectrum. Beta ray spectrum shows the graph between the number of beta particles and their corresponding energies. Then we get the curve as shown in figure. This curve is called beta ray spectrum. From the curve, it is observed that the beta ray spectra is similar to the inverted parabola. It is similar to the inverted parabola, and its apex is towards the lower energy. Its apex towards the lower energy, and tail is towards the high energy. It is a continuous spectra. It has minimum as well as maximum energy values. The maximum energy value is called end point energy. The maximum energy value is called end point energy. Beta ray spectra consist of number of lines which is superimposed on a continuous spectra. Pauli's neutrino hypothesis. The continuous nature of beta ray energy spectrum presented the two major difficulties generally, or namely, the law of conservation of energy appears to be violated, and the law of conservation of momentum appears to be violated. In order to overcome these difficulties, Pauli's in 1933 proposed the hypothesis known as Pauli's neutrino hypothesis. This neutrino hypothesis was based on the following assumptions. Beta minus decay. When one of the neutrino in a neutron rich nucleus get converted into a beta particle, beta minus particle, that is negatron minus 1 E0 is emitted. In this process, a neutral, that is chargeless and massless particles is known as antineutrino is emitted. Therefore, its equation for beta minus decay becomes 0 and 1 get converted into 1p1 plus minus 1 e raised to 0 plus antineutrino. The complete equation for beta minus decay can be written as Zxa get converted into Z plus 1 Ya plus minus 1 E0 plus antineutrino. That is, parent nuclei get converted into daughter nuclei plus beta particle and antineutrino. Beta plus decay. When one of the proton in the proton-rich nucleus get converted into neutron, a beta plus particle called positron, that is plus 1 E0 is emitted. This process of a particle called neutrino, that is chargeless and massless particle is emitted. The complete equation for the beta plus decay is written as Zxa converted into Z minus 1 Ya plus 1 e raised to power 0 plus nu, that is neutrino. Orbital capture. In a proton-rich nucleus, when one of the orbital E minus is captured, the nucleus gains stability by converting one of the proton inside the nucleus into a neutron. In this process, the particle called neutrino nu is emitted. Equation can be written as 1p1 plus minus 1 e raised to 0 get converted into 0 and 1 plus nu. The complete equation becomes Zxa plus minus 1 is to 0 get converted into Z minus 1 Ya plus neutrino. Properties of neutrino. The rest mass of neutrino is 0. According to law of conservation of momentum, the spin of neutrino is 1 by 2. Neutrino carries no charge. Neutrino travels with the speed of light. Thank you.